Hi everyone, I'm Miss McCausland and welcome to HMC Draw With Me. In this nugget I've got all the colours of the rainbow to use, and I want to give you a quick taster session on blending tones, values and colours with pencil colours. But don't worry if you don't have pencil colours, because you can practice these techniques with just a HB pencil, and you could even use a rubber as well to do some lifting if it gets a little bit dark as well, to give that range of tones. You'll still learn this new technique and become a stronger artist for it. These nuggets are shorter than my full-length, more detailed sessions, so if you're enjoying this, come and join me on my YouTube channel, subscribe to know when my next video is out, and click on the links below. Rewind and pause as much as you need, as I'll be giving you lots of tips on how to do all this. All resources are on my website as well. Get yourself some paper, get yourself a pencil, colouring pencils if you have them, sketchbook if you have it, but otherwise don't worry about that at all, and let's have a lovely session. Okay, so we're playing around with tone and values today. So I'm going to start off with a HB pencil. And to do this, I'm going to write blending tones at the top. Then under that, I am going to do a dark tone, a medium tone, and then a light tone. Remember, overlapping, pressing harder gets it darker, and then pressing more lightly, holding it on the side, gets it even lighter. Now, I'm just changing to another HB pencil right now, but what I want you to do now is blend those three separate tones together. So it's a bit of a practicing activity today to start with. What I want you to do is go sideways. I'm thinking sideways like that, actually. It's vertically, and shade, and go lighter, and try and keep it fairly straight, and lighter and lighter, lightening that pressure until it disappears away. Edit and improve any parts, and go back to the beginning and press harder to get it a little bit darker at the start, and go lighter and lighter and lighter. Now if you have some B pencils, you could go even further, like I've got 5B here, and I could go really dark at the start and blend that in. So that's your first challenge. The next challenge is to take your HB again, and I want it to go dark to light to dark again. So we're going to blend from dark to lighter to almost gone entirely, trying to keep it all straight. I mean, the same thickness. And then going darker, whoops, and darker and darker. Now I said whoops there because I've made it look like there's a solid line there. I want to blend it smoothly. So what I can do is I'm just going to rub that bit out, lighten that bit there, lift that off, and just go back into it again, like so, like that. In the middle there. Now that's looking really lovely. The next challenge, which is slightly harder, is to do it sideways instead. So underneath, I keep saying sideways, I mean horizontally. I want you to do it dark tone, medium tone, then light tone. Now they look very, very separate. So what we now need to do is go back here and do a medium dark tone over the top, like that. And then here do a medium light tone just there. And it's already looking a bit better blended. And then you've guessed it already, go for a medium dark tone there. A medium dark tone there. Slightly lighter there. And a slightly darker one there. And that is looking nicely blended. The next one, exactly the same as above. We do the two dark ones. Feels like it's getting a little bit harder this time. But this is really good for your practicing your tone skills, and also it will help you with the tonal texture later. So we're going to do the same with the medium, then we're going to go to light, then we're going to go to medium tone again, And again, we want to blend them in. So we go halfway across there, overlapping there. Do the same here. And then we go slightly lighter there, lighter there. Again, if you've got a B pencil, fantastic, no worries if not. And I could go even darker at the two sides. It's quite a fun activity to warm us up there. I could do the same here. Now our next activity is with colours. And what I want you to do is choose two colours. I'm going to choose a blue and I'm going to go into a pink. And what I'm going to do is start at one end with a pink, one end with a blue. Now blue's darker than a pink, so I'm going to do the same activity as the first one again. I'm going to press hard, going lighter and lighter and lighter until it disappears, like so. And then I'm going to do it again here. But to recreate this one instead, what I'm going to do is go back from the other side with another colour. And that's where I bring the pink in. And this is where the magic happens and you start to get a new colour because you're blending those two together. Now you're very, very welcome to practice those two other ones in the same way. I'm just going to speed the video up whilst you have a go at this yourself. I don't know about you, but I think that one's quite hard. The next one I want you to do is choose three colours and we're going to blend those three together. I'm going to go from dark through to light doing this. And I'm going to choose three tones. So I'm going to choose a really dark colour, which is the indigo blue. That's my darkest. I'm going to choose a yellow as my lightest. And I'm going to go for a pink in the middle. So it goes from dark, medium to light tone. And I can test them out at the top. So dark, medium and light. Now if you've been watching my videos, I play around with three tones quite a lot. So the dark, medium and light colours. So I really enjoy the combination of those. So I'm going to recreate this one. I'm going to go in the way where it goes dark, medium then light. Follow my lead. We go dark, then we go lighter pressure with it. You then get to your light colour. You press hard from the other side and then we come back towards the dark one with a lighter pressure. And then in the middle, what we're going to do is start pressing hard in the middle and we're going to press lighter and lighter and lighter. And then we're going to go the other way, press hard and then lighter, then lighter, then lighter. This is where it gets really quite fun. Now they're not blended very well yet. So what I can do, go back to my yellow and blend it back in. Go back to my indigo and blend that back in. This is where it starts to become a really colourful, fun page. And this is skills that you'll want to use always in art. Finally, across the whole of the bottom, if you've not guessed what I'm going to do yet, I'm going to do the rainbow. I'm going to blend all the colours of the rainbow together. So at the start, I'm going to start with the red. I need to space them out. So I'm going to very lightly put red there. Then the orange. Then the yellow. The green. That turquoise. This blue. Now it doesn't matter if you don't have all the colours, that's absolutely fine. You work with whatever you have, because actually the only three colours that you need to make the rainbow are the primary colours, and that's red, yellow and blue. So if you have a red, yellow and a blue, you can do this. So I've got them all there. Now all I'm going to do is press hard and go light, press hard and go backwards and press lighter. Press hard, then lighter. So from each one, the centre you press hard, then you go lighter, press hard, then lighter, And now I'm going to speed up the video because I think you've got the hang of it as I finish my rainbow. Now that I've finished that rainbow, I'm going to spend some time just playing around in this space with some other colour combinations that I really wanted to use today whilst I'm practicing blending. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you feel that that's been a really nice activity to do and you're feeling a little bit more relaxed now. It's been an absolute pleasure. Good luck, enjoy, and goodbye.